In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export pages in Notion. Exporting is a simple way to back up your notes, share polished documents, or move content to other tools. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, which format to choose, and how to get a clean file onto your device. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the exact page you want to export. Make sure you're on the page itself, not just a database view or a parent page, so the export captures the content you expect. If the page has subpages, keep that in mind, because you'll be able to decide whether to include them in the export in just a moment. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. This is the page menu that controls page level options. You'll find everything export related here, so it's the quickest path to getting your content out of Notion. From that drop-down, choose Export. This opens a small panel where you'll tell Notion how you want your file packaged. If you don't see Export, double-check you're on a page you have permission to export. Now pick a format. PDF is best when you need a clean, shareable document that looks the same for everyone. It's perfect for reports, proposals, or handouts. HTML creates a folder with a web-style version of the page, which is great if you want to preserve layout and images and open it in a browser. Markdown is ideal if you plan to edit the content elsewhere or move it into another writing app. It keeps the text lightweight and portable. Before exporting, adjust the settings to fit your needs. Look for options like including subpages if your main page contains nested content you want captured. For HTML and Markdown, Notion typically packages everything into a zip that includes images and any subpages as separate files, which helps keep things organized. If you care about structure and links, these formats are especially handy. Take a moment to confirm the file name so it's easy to find later. When everything looks right, click Export. Notion will prepare your file. Larger pages with images or multiple subpages can take a little longer. Once it's done, the file downloads to your device, usually to your default downloads folder. If it's a zip, extract it and open the main file to review the results. Skim through to confirm headings, images, and tables look as expected. If something seems off, repeat the export and try a different format or tweak the settings to better match your goal. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Notion page and saved a reliable copy you can share or store safely.